And you say, what am I showing this for? Well, this angel was in my backyard. Been there for years. And apparently the arm broke off that has the bird bath on it. So I used my good old Dremel down here, the drill on it, to drill into the arm itself, actually in the elbow, and put that nail through. But I used this DevCon epoxy, 5 minute. So it's been sitting there a lot longer than 5 minutes, but now, yeah, the nail is permanently in there. I'm going to have to go ahead and cut it off. But other than that, it worked pretty well, and I don't think it's going to come off anymore. And so it'll... Oh, shut up, Chubby. Oh my gosh, this dog, I tell you. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and smooth it out when it's hard enough. And it should be good as new. We'll see. And what? Oh, look, we got Chubby eating. Chubby, say hi. I figured you would. Okay, that's it for now.